Judge rejects Sean Diddy Combs' bid to toss prostitution convictions. The judge in Sean Diddy Combs' criminal case rejected the hip-hop mogul's request to toss out his prostitution-related convictions Tuesday, setting the stage for his sentencing. U.S. District Judge Arun Subramanian, who oversaw Combs' 8-week federal trial in New York this summer, turned down Combs' motion to throw out his convictions on 2 counts of transportation to engage in prostitution, which each carry a maximum prison sentence of 10 years. Combs, the founder of Bad Boy Records, is scheduled to be sentenced Friday. Federal prosecutors had accused Combs of orchestrating a decade-spanning criminal enterprise and forcing women to participate in marathon, drug-dazed sexual encounters with male escorts, known as freak-offs. Combs, who had been held in a Brooklyn jail cell for more than a year, pleaded not guilty to all 5 counts at the heart of the trial, and he has denied the allegations. Jurors acquitted Combs on 1 count of racketeering conspiracy and 2 counts of sex trafficking by force, fraud or coercion, denying prosecutors a verdict that could have sent him to prison for the rest of his life. He was found guilty on charges under what is formally known as the Mann Act, a federal law passed in 1910 that outlaws moving people across state lines for immoral purposes. Combs' lawyers argued at a hearing Thursday that the Mann Act didn't apply to their client in part because he wasn't running a commercial business. They also insisted that the prosecution's key witnesses, including ex-girlfriends Cassandra, Cassie, Ventura and a woman identified by the pseudonym Jane, willingly participated in the freak-offs. "We are talking about adults having a threesome, bringing another adult into their private sex life," Alexandra Shapiro, one of Combs' defense lawyers, told Subramanian. The prosecution tried to rebuff that narrative, telling Subramanian that the government has an important and substantial interest in cracking down on exactly the kind of interstate prostitution Combs was accused of orchestrating for his sexual encounters. The government proved the defendant transported Cassie and Jane domestically and internationally so they could participate in prostitution, Assistant U.S. Attorney Christy Slavic said. The freak-offs were about one thing: his sexual gratification.